My name's Kane Baxter-Smith. I'm 35 and I'm from Werribee in Melbourne, and I race for Swift Solar Repairs Racing. So my Toyota 86 Series career started back in 2016 when the category started at Winton, and on my first outing I had a bit of an incident with Glenn Seaton, who I'm a big fan of, by the way. Hi Seato. And I turned him around. Last season in the 86 Series I finished 12th, which is my best result in the championship. 2021 I'd like to win somewhere, something, even best livery. My car is the best looking car on grid, there's no denying it, so come on guys.
For more videos like this, click here or subscribe to Toyota Australia's YouTube channel here.
Oh, what a feeling. Toyota.